build an application using Flutter is something that we can do during the pandemic. First thing is, what is Flutter? Flutter is a programming framework to develop cross-platform applications. It uses a programming language called Dart, and it supports the platform. The supported platforms include Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, Linux, and browser. So why use Flutter? Flutter enables developers to develop for Android, iOS, desktop, and web with the same code base, which means instead of natively developing all of these apps one at a time, you can just deploy to all of these platforms using just one code base, which leads to faster development as compared to native development. Another reason we use Flutter is because it has beautiful user interface widgets and animations. What you need to start, first of all, you need to install Git, and using Git you're able to download Flutter, and downloading Flutter is like a 40-minute process, so it's better that you just search it on YouTube and you will be able to find it. Next, you need to install Android Studio. Android Studio will have the SDK manager, which allows you to run the Android emulators. And if you're on a Mac, you need to install Xcode. And lastly, install Visual Studio Code, which is an IDE. Here are some apps that are popular apps built using Flutter. The eBay Motors app, Reflectly, Google Ads, Insights Timer, Google Stadia, Grab, AB Road Studios, and Alibaba's app. The app that we'll be coding today is a calculator. Here are some screenshots of it. It includes dark and light theme. And before we start coding, what's important is we understand the basics. So Flutter has two main widgets, stateful widgets and stateless widgets. Stateful widgets will be updated whenever the user interacts with it. So for example,